everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now this week is kind of a slow week, so I was really trying to work out some scenarios. There was one scenario that I spent, I swear, 20 minutes trying to figure it out. And then I'm like, nope, I'm not doing it. I'm like, I'm sad, I just wasted all that time. And then I'm like, wait, I'm gonna do it. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got and some deals that I got with my CRTs. I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys at the information of this video, and you can check out the CRTs and everything that I used. I took a picture of it all at the end of the video, so you guys can definitely check that out. But I got Irish Spring body wash. These were $3.99. I had a $1 off digital coupon and a 75-cent off printable coupon that I printed from irishsprings.com. I also had a 3 off of 2 CRT for Irish Springs, so that made my total $3.23, but then when you buy 2 of them, you get a $2 extra care buck, making it $1.23 or just 61 cents a piece. If you guys want to go do that, definitely go ahead and do that. I got my freebie. I ended up getting the nail clipper. This was $3.69. You do have to clip it to your card. It does not print off in the red machine, so I clipped this to my card, so I got this free. This one actually looks kind of cool. I like it, like the grooves and stuff on it. I got the CoverGirl mascara. Now my store does do the 2% rule, so I can go off by like 2 cents basically. So this was $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. I had a $3 off instant coupon from that printed from the red machine last week, and then I also had a 6 off of 20 CoverGirl CRT. So I ended up using those 4 things, and it came out to be $4.98. But then you get a $7 extra care buck back, making it $2.02 moneymaker. Everything was free and I made a profit, so I was excited for that. And then I went crazy with the Butterfingers, you guys. I just went super crazy with Butterfingers. I bought 8 of them. And you're like, what? Why'd you buy 8 of them? And I'm like, because this seems like a great deal. So, bought 8 of them. These were 2 for $2, so they are pretty much $1 a piece. I had the $1 off of 2 insert coupon from the red machine from last week, and then I also had a 2 off of 8 CRT for candy. So I made sure I bought 8 of them, and then used those $2 off and $1, so I ended up paying $5 for this. But with checkout 51, you get $1 for every 2 that you buy. So I'm getting $4 back from checkout 51. And then there's a deal, if you read the small print, that you get a 50-cent bonus if you submit your receipt before Wednesday at CVS. So I will be getting a 50-cent bonus, making these all 50 cents. 50 cents for 8 of them is a great deal. So if you need some Butterfingers, definitely go ahead and do that. So I'm going to share with you guys this scenario. I'm going to show you guys the individual deals. You're going to be like, really? And then I'm going to show you the final price for them, because it's a little tricky, and this is what I spent a ton of time on. So I ended up getting the toothbrushes. These were $5.79. I had a 2 off of 5 CRT that I used, and so you would end up paying... where did I write this down? You would end up paying $3.79, but then you get a $4 extra care buck, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. Now, I did buy 2 of these, and I will explain that in just a second. I bought 4 toothpaste of Crest toothpaste. I ended up, these were $3.99. I had a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. So you would end up, or 6 off of 4, sorry. 6 off of 4, you would pay $9.96, but then you get $3 for every 2 that you buy. It's a limited 2. So this comes out to be $3.96 for 4 of them. So, still not done. I still got quite a bit. Now, I thought the scope was $5.79, but on my receipt it actually showed it was $3.99. So I got this for $3.99. I had a $1 off digital coupon, so I used that. And then there is a $2 extra care buck back when you buy one. Comes out to be just 99 cents. So I got that deal. And then I ended up getting the Tom's products, okay? So this is why I got confused. But anyways, the deodorant was $7.49. The toothpaste was $5.99, and it ended up ringing up for $2.90 is what it showed up on my receipt. And then I got the bar of soap for $5.49. I had a $2 off CRT for the bar of soap, and then I had a $2 off CRT for the deodorant. So with those 3 items, you would pay $11.88, but then you get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 5, and you can submit a $1 rebate for the children's toothpaste and a $1 rebate for the deodorant. Now I could have done a different deal, but this is just how it worked out for me. So my grand total came to $4.88 or $1.62 a piece. So got all those. But I ended up having a 6 off of 30 CRT that worked for the deodorant, and it also worked for, it was like shave, oral, and then deodorant. So 6 off of 30. So I was trying to figure out, of all the items that I got, I needed to be over $30. So this came out to be $47.41. $47.41 for all these items. So we got the 3 Toms, the 1 scope, the 4 toothbrushes, or 4 toothpastes, and the 2 brushes. After the coupons that I used, it was $19 worth of coupons that I used between CRTs and coupons. So it came out to be $28.41. But then I got $4 back, $4 back. I got $3 back and $3 back. $2 back, and then I got $5 back. So my grand total came out to be, and then I got the $2 off the Ibotta. So my grand total came out to be $5.41. I got 10 items for $5.41. That's 54 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Usually we say don't pay for toothpaste, but in situations like this you can factor in however you want. But I mean, 54 cents, especially the Tom stuff, that's a really expensive deal. So that's that scenario. I do have the printable breakdowns that I kind of wrote at the very end what I paid, so in case you guys have that CRT, you want to use that. My total came to $0. $0. I ended up using $36 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $30 back. I did receive $2 back with Ibotta, and I will be receiving $4 back with checkout 51, plus a 50-cent bonus with checkout 51. So my grand total came to a 50-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free. That bonus that I'm going to be getting from checkout 51 made everything become a moneymaker, which is a great deal. So I didn't get much, but you know what? That's fine. I didn't get hardly any hair care things at all. There were some deals that I wanted to do, and then I'm just like, no. And then just, my store was sold out of the Mederma. Everybody's doing that deal. My store was sold out of that. And then I was gonna do Compeed, but my store sold out of that. So they haven't refilled anything. They have not refilled anything in weeks. And I don't know if the person has to order them, if they automatically go on order, but it's just, it's crazy how nothing's getting replenished. I mean, I'm still waiting for Schick razors to come in stock, and they won't come in stock. So anyways, that is my haul. My nothing else special there. Yeah, that's all I can say. Not much else is going on, but you know, I'm pretty happy with what I got. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.